Streaming is not a full-time job for me. It takes a bunch of hours. It takes a bunch of hours for me, but it is not a full-time job. I work a regular job, 40, 50 hours a week. Um, I don't, I have a hard time seeing it becoming a full-time job. Get to a point where this is my only job would mean that I would have to make more money than I do at my full-time job. And even if I get to the point where I am, I would still be hesitant. I mean, being totally honest, like I'm here to help people grow, but I can't help but just tell people the truth about what this is like because I don't I don't know how stable it is, right? Your success in streaming and content creation is totally dependent on your popularity. And it's not just on your streaming platform of choice. You have to make a presence on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You've got to start making a presence on other platforms. Try to get more and more people to come watch what you do. They're all of those platforms, all social media is competitive. And when you first get into them, you are just this little tiny fish in a gigantic pond. And so you have to find ways to get that popularity. And once you get popularity, once you get a level of popularity across multiple platforms, you'll notice that you're starting to get a lot of people come to the primary platform that's making you money, and the money will start coming in. And then, like I was saying, maybe one day you're making more per month than you are at your regular job. But as soon as your popularity starts to fade in one of those platforms, your income starts going down. So, that is the reason why even if I was making more money doing this and it wasn't my full-time job, I don't think I could leave it because my job is stability. It's not based on my popularity. It's based on how well I perform.